everybody!
Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on choice numbers from 11 through 20. This is a worksheet I put together. I saw one similar with a friend one time and I couldn't find it to replicate it, to copy it. So I just kind of whipped this up in Publisher. I can try to link the PDF below so you guys can look at it, but it's basically just a little fun dice game so he can work on reading and tracing his numbers from 11 through 20. So Troy's going to take his paper, and he's also going to take one of his favorite math tools, which is, what's this?
The biggest dice block I use every time.
What is it?
It's a big huge dice block.
It's a big, huge dice block. All right. So Troy's going to take his pencil. All right, here.
And then I'm going to roll this dice block, and if the number the rounds on, then I get to draw.
You get to trace the number. That's right. Okay, so let's show him how it's done. Can you do the first one? Go ahead, roll it. What number?
5.
You got the number 5. So what do you go to? What's the first number in number 5?
15.
15. Can you write your number 5 on there?
And there's a 1.
A 1. And then which one's after that?
16.
16. So when you're tracing,
After 16, 17, after 17, 18, after 18, 19.
That's right.
That's why number 5 gets all the way here, then he wins.
That's
Got
right.
it.
So go ahead, you're going to trace your numbers.
I did it. I did it.
All right, don't forget the first number too. What's that one?
1.
1. So
Now let's roll the dice again. 4. See this, guys? I got a 4.
good job.
Remember?
It is a 4. What's the first number on the number 4 spot?
Oh, it's the same one. Me, it's 4.
You are 4, that's right.
It's 14.
It's 14.
Remember?
It is.
I think 14 is the first letter, and that's how I am.
That's how old you are? You're 4. All right, go ahead and trace your 14.
Talia did it.
Talia did it.
Now it's like a 1.
It's a 1, and what other number to make 14?
1.
1 and
4.
4. Okay, go ahead. Roll the next one.